The realization that your password management company has been hacked is a nightmare come true. Hackers could potentially wipe out your financial accounts in the blink of an eye. While there will never be a perfect solution, one thing for sure, storing important data in the cloud is no longer safe. So what do we do about it? Introducing Password Slug. This is how it works. It is based on the two-key rule used in the military, where not one, but two separate keys are required to open a lock. Let's see how this applies to passwords. If your password is apple pie, we break this into two separate parts. First, we would save the word apple with your passport manager in the cloud, and then the word pie would be stored locally with Password Slug. Now when you log into a website, the first part of your password will be filled in by your password manager, and the second part by Password Slug. So, if your password management company ever gets hacked, the hacker will only have access to part of your password. With Password Slug, you can still enjoy the convenience of password management while protecting your personal information. So what are you waiting for? And best of all, it's free.